this place is pretty cool. I was like,
welcome to E5 Resort. Ooh, can we get pumpkins?
That's what I was just thinking, the same thing.
what?
Henderson, Texas.
We're here at E5 Farms. Yeah. We're gonna have some fun.
Take the popcorn on
The hayride? Yeah. Hello, little groups.
Can I go in?
Yeah. Let's see why not. Is that a piggy over there? I think that there's a pig over there. Here, let's go over here and pet the horse. You don't want to pet the horse?
Yes.
The pony. Yeah. Is it? Oh, yeah. Huh? Yeah? I don't see why not. You just gotta watch and make sure that none of the animals manage to get out, Zoe.
Yeah.
Let's not mess with the bunny. Oh my goodness. You know duckies can bite, right?
No.
Yeah, I was like, they can bite you. You just gotta watch out. Oh, look at it. Yeah, don't drop it.
Bouncing off the walls with the sun shining through. You and I are more than enough.
Hold on, I want to pet the piggy.
Our time is on our side. Pulling them
Is it even
all
alive?
slip away. Oh,
Hello? Right. I would have been like, you can view it with your one eye on YouTube. Hey, look, buddy. Say hello. Oh yeah, he's just having a blast. Came back by, and guess what? The piggy's up. Piggy, 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 piggy. Hey, piggy, piggy. Yeah, I was like, because I sat on it and it just took off with me. I didn't even try. I can't. Hey, y'all ain't gonna run this woman to death, okay?
That's so much fun.
Hey, Corbin, whenever he's bringing it up, you need to keep away from the edge. You enjoying it? We are doing what we probably shouldn't be doing. And that's going into the corn maze.
You don't see any
Wait, this way.
Nope, that's not a way.
It's not a way.
How dare you tell me what to do and what not to do, Missy?
Hey, y'all be careful.
Hey, y'all can't trip over those. You gotta watch your step and step over them. That's what waters these. It's the little lines.
Ted, you're leading the way. You
Tis
better
the
not lead
way.
us the wrong way.
Yeah, tis the way. Y'all are walking way too fast. Lord have mercy. Slow down.
You sure you want to go this way?
Yes. No, you're going
Whoa,
the wrong way. Oh.
You should have taken the shortcut.
I don't think we're gonna get out of here.
I'm pretty sure that yeah we'll be able to get out of here.
This is where they gather,
Found it.
isn't it? Oh, dang.
Hey, Scott. Hey.
Yeah, I get, their thing isn't very long. But this is like one
Let's
side.
try it again. Let's do it this
I think that there's. Oh. No. Maybe.